Good day everyone, my name is Mika and welcome to another episode of Kakanin series video recipe of Miguelitos. Join me as I teach you how to make our all-time favorite traditional kakanin, ang Inutak. Ang ingredients na kailangan ay 2½ cup of water, 2½ cup of kakanggata, and our very own Miguelitos Inutak premix. Prepare the aluminum foil pan or lianera by lightly brushing it with oil and then set aside. Kumuha ng large saucepan. Dissolve 1 pack of Miguelitos Instant Inutak premix in 2½ cups of kakanggata and 2½ cups of water. Haluin mabuti hanggang sa matunaw ng husto. Under a low heat, bring the mixture to a simmer until it thickens. Once na-achieve na, remove and transfer it immediately to our prepared aluminum pan or lianera. Then, distribute evenly using a spatula and make sure na pantay yung distribution. Then, once na-transfer na, maglagay lang ng additional 1/4 cup of kakanggata on top of the Inutak mixture. And make sure that it is fully covered. Bake or broil the Inutak mixture at 200 degrees Celsius if you're using an oven. Broil it until the top forms a dark brown spot looking similar to a swollen brain. That's why they call it Inutak from the word itself, Inutak, from utak. So there you go, luto na ang ating Miguelitos Inutak. Allow it to cool down and remember that it is best served with Miguelitos ice cream. Also, you can sell 3 pans of Inutak for 75 to 100 pesos. This is perfect sa mga salo-salo na pupuntahan nyo ngayong holidays. To be updated for more video recipes of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the ring bell button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Miguelitos, ang best partner mo sa negosyo.